OCO everyone, it's Philip Encroaching with iamCREATUREscience at iamCREATUREscience.com. iamCREATUREscience is now partnered with Chef Khai, cuisine extraordinaire of KT Foodies, to be the expert and guide you in the kitchen with meal preparation throughout your respective health journeys. Never let the unknown or lack of competency hinder you from healing your best self and discovering the innate creature in you again.
What's up, everybody? This is Chef Khai from KT Foodies, and I am here partnering with iamCREATUREscience, showing you guys how to make egg whites. Eggs. You can do all kind of things with eggs, right? Now, one of the fancier things if you go into a cafe or anything like that is, let me get some egg whites instead of scrambled eggs. Let me show you how us chefs do it in the kitchen. So I have 3 eggs. I'm going to show you how to crack it. I'm going to show you the difference from egg whites and actually incorporating the egg yolk with the egg whites. We're going to get it going. So the first thing I'm going to do, I have my egg, right? And you can kind of, by the way you feel it, see how fragile or how firm your egg is, depending on what type of egg you get. So I'm going to slightly, not too hard, hit the corner of my countertop, crack it, and the objective is to get the eggs in the shell halfway. So I don't want to grab the yolks, because again, we're making egg whites. Open it up, and already we have some of that nice egg whites, right? So the objective is to get as much egg whites as possible away from the yolk. And the great thing about having an egg is you can separate it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get the egg yolk and transfer it to the other shell. And it's just going to keep on repeating, and it's going to grab all of what I need. I'm going to make sure we get all of the nutrients. And you can even save the egg yolks on the side to make pasta for your dinner. Here we go. Bam. Look at that. That's how you know you did it right. If it's just sitting there waiting for you. And again, same thing. Crack it open. Just get all the egg whites out of it. Even try to cut it from the shell. See how I just use the shell? Little perfections. I want to get all of it out. Alright, that's good. Just lay it down in there. I can also start by turning on my heat for my pan. It's about a medium-low heat. Medium-high, medium-low. Medium, specifically. I'm going to get a perfect temperature. Crack my last egg open. Again. Be careful not to get the shell in. There we go. If you see like a little shell loose on there, just rotate it to a more sturdier position. There you go. The eggshells, you know, do it. It's doing it for you. There we go. Alright. Now we got those little babies in there ready to make some pasta. We're going to go ahead, just like scrambled eggs, go ahead and season it up. I got my salt, pepper over here. That's all I use for my eggs, unless, you know, you're trying to be fancy and make some other things, and season it as you please. But salt, pepper is all you really need. A chef's rule is don't use no more than 5 seasonings. If you use more than 5 seasonings, throw it away. Pepper. Salt. Now how I use it, you can either use a whisk, or a fork. I prefer using a fork just because I have more control of it. I kind of tilt it, and when I'm rotating, when I'm doing this, I'm putting more air into the eggs. So that's what you're seeing at a more faster pace. It's going to get kind of frothy. I'm just getting all that air into it. And this is just whipping the eggs, getting all that seasoning mixed nicely into it. next thing, my pan is ready to go. I'm going to add some extra olive oil or grapeseed oil or any nut oil is good. Just a little bit. You don't need too much. You want to cover the pan. A little water came into it. That's why it's popping like that. Don't worry. It's alright. Rotate my pan. And be careful if you have a flame heat that you don't pour the oil into the fire because it will spark at you. Right? And as you can see this oil? A little excessive oil. So I'm going to do, I'm going to grab something to put it in. Alright, there we go. Now, make sure this is in. I have my spatula. My pan is not too hot because I don't want to make sure, I don't want the eggs to burn. So I want it at a medium temperature. Right? I can fill it up right here, so it's about medium. I'm going to go ahead. You can turn your temperature lower to lower heat so you can have more control of the cooking. Gently fold, rotate, cook it up. You can pretty much tell when the eggs are done once you don't see as much wetness. Some people like their eggs over easy and scrambled or over medium, whatever you prefer. It's fine. And that's how you make egg whites. Turn my heat off. It's still going to be cooking because I still have my pan on the top of the heated area. I turned it off just so it doesn't overheat and make my egg whites brown because we like our things pretty and tasty. There we go. Go ahead, put my egg whites into my bowl. And there we go.